Welcome to the new Manulife travel insurance website. This training will help you navigate our updated website and produce visitors to Canada quotes. The first thing that's important to know is if you have an individual insurance selling code with Manulife, you are a RepSource user and should click here to sign in. This will redirect you to RepSource to sign in, and once you've completed your information, you'll be redirected to the Manulife travel insurance website. If you are an affinity-only advisor, you can sign in directly from the website. Before we start with the quotes, let's take a look around the site's non-transactional information. At the top of the page, you can change the language from French to English. Make sure you change it in the very beginning, since the language cannot be changed in the middle of a quote. The FAQ button allows you access to frequently asked questions about our plans. The search button allows you to look up existing clients. In My Profile, you can update your advisor information, change your password, and sign out. If you know which plan your client is applying for, choose it in the Products tab. This is actually the quickest way to get a quote with more specific questions. If you start your quote directly from the home page, the system will assume that the advisor is not sure which plan to apply for and therefore will ask more generic questions. Lastly, to the left of the home page, you will find the latest documents in What's New, updated articles on travel insurance, and information on our individually underwritten travel insurance plan. Now for the quotes, as I previously mentioned, choose the plan under the Products tab. Let's start with a Visitors to Canada quote. Note that the information is provided on Plans A and Plan B, as well as Visitors to Canada marketing material on the left side of the screen. We will now complete the form on the right. Where does the client live? Let's choose Algeria. Destination, of course, is Canada. Province of residence, let's choose Ontario. Is the client covered by Canadian government health insurance plan? No. If the client does have Canadian government health insurance, the client is not eligible to Visitors to Canada coverage. Do you need insurance for Super Visa? This is an important question, and what's important to understand here is that we do not offer Super Visas. Manulife provides the proof of insurance that is required of at least $100,000 when someone applies for a Super Visa. If you do need coverage for a Super Visa, click on Yes, and the system will automatically provide coverage for 365 days, which is the Super Visa requirement. So we will continue and enter the arrival date, the coverage start date, and the coverage end date. In regards to the age, if you are looking to quickly compare premiums, you can enter the applicant's age. However, we recommend you enter the birth dates from the very beginning to avoid any confusion. The last question is, are you a family? You can skip over this question because it does not relate to Visitors to Canada. Now you can click on Show Plans to see the premiums. Now that you have the premiums, you can increase the deductible amount, choose the coverage amount, and add trip interruption coverage to the plan. In order for you to see the medical questionnaire, we will add Plan B to the checkout basket. You will have to click on Start Medical Questionnaire and answer all 5 questions. Now that this is completed, you can add the plan to the checkout basket and click on Accept. Make sure you read the pre-existing condition exclusion pop-up and click Accept. Step number 3 has to do with the client's contact information. If you sold to this client in the past, you can avoid entering the contact information all over again by clicking on Search and Retrieve and searching with the drop-down menu. For the purpose of this recording, we will complete the form for a new client. Once it's completed, click on Review and Pay. Here, you would verify the client's information and enter payment information below. If the client is paying by check, the policy will not be in force until the payment is received. Make sure you also check the 2 boxes for the information verification. If the client is paying by credit card, enter the credit card information and check the information verification box. Once that's completed, click Purchase. Your client will receive the confirmation by email, but you can view it in the Confirmation tab for yourself and search with the drop-down menu. We'll enter the date as an example. And we will find 9 results. Click on Policy Confirmation. If you need to email the confirmation to your client again, click on Send Confirmation on the right. If you would like to view the policy confirmation yourself, click on Policy Confirmation. Since we no longer send the wallet cards to the clients, it's important you email it to your clients yourself. You can find it under the Products tab in the specific coverage, here, Visitors to Canada, and the wallet card will be at the bottom left with the marketing material and related PDFs. And off you go. This completes the training on how to produce Visitors to Canada quotes. Make sure you take a look at the other videos to learn how to quote for traveling Canadians and student travel. If you have any additional questions, Do not hesitate to contact your dedicated affinity internal wholesaler. Thank you. Thank you.